Hey guys, it's me back on Essential, and today I'm going to be shooting a simple tutorial video on how to make an easy paper Jason's machete from Friday the 13th. And this one's going to be pretty simple weapon, since I haven't done a weapon in a long time. So I'll be using simple materials, like for the metallic structure I'll be using this, and for the body itself I've got some cardboard. They're more like paper but thicker. They're easy to roll into handles and stuff. And besides that, I'll be using some red paint, some normal stationery items. And yeah, let's just get started. First of all, I'm gonna make a cylinder like this. And just simply roll it and then put some tape around, fix it in place. And so I got the two rods in place, and it's become a pretty long rod or stick. The next thing I want to do is give it the knife head or the edge itself, and for that I'll be using some cardboard like this. So I already made one shaped like a machete. And what I'm gonna do next is, since it's like double layered like this, so I'm just gonna fold a little bit on both sides like that, and so that we can just fix it like this. Also, with the tip I want to make it sharp, so I'll do that. Okay, now what I can do is tape this in place and hope for the best. So that's the basic machete design. That's how long it's gonna be, and we'll need to work on the handle later on. Okay, that's too big of an handle, we'll fix that as well. So yeah, let's put this in place using some tape. That's strong enough. Now I believe we're ready. I ended up modifying this a little bit, by the way, and besides that I added these two so it fit my hand nicely, also to make it look seamless and smooth. Now at the bottom I want to fold this in like that to create a curve, and I'll be covering up the handle using some more cardboard or paper to secure it in place. Like that. So pretty nice. Definitely feels like a machete. Could probably turn this into the Walking Dead machete as well. I really wanted to make that. If you guys remember, I used to make a lot of Walking Dead weapons. So yeah, that's that. Now let's just curve it inwards, give it that bend according to the shape of my machete. You guys can use different things like aluminum foil. That would be easier to handle than a paper like this. Okay, it's pretty flat now. No, it's not. Alright, I'm gonna try and fix it. Now this is much more stable compared to how it was a minute ago. Now I'm going to start by taping it there, and then I'll just wrap it around that. Okay, like I was saying, just do this at one edge, the middle, and the top. So what we're gonna do next is start turning it like this. Tight, I want it to be very tight. And just I'll do the same at the top. Just cover it up and put some tape around. Okay, I did some coloring as well and stumbled upon this piece of cardboard from my art book, and it's pretty thick and good for handle. Good for making a handle. So yeah, let's just wrap this around. Okay, so let me stick this in place. Okay, the handle's done. The main head is complete. The main blade. And I keep saying head because I make a lot of action figures recently. So what I want to do next is give it some screws, so it looks more real. And for that I'll be using some more silver paper. Finally, it's time to paint the blood splatter and stuff, because the hardware itself pretty ready and strong. One of the neat looking clean weapon that I've made in my entire life. I'll have to give it that. So the colors I'll be using are some red and brown, probably a little bit of black. I don't have a plan. I haven't painted blood on a weapon like this. So let's just see what happens. I'll use a small one, this one, and probably a big one, or a medium one. There's a bigger one here. So let's just get some water. Now, from the looks of it, the blade itself has most of the blood either on this side, like near the blade, or at the top. And I'm gonna try to not get paint on the handle, otherwise it would be very messy when you get sweaty. So let's start with here. I need to find a nicer design. Okay, how about this? Let's start from this side. Create some splatters like this. Okay, that's looking very gnarly in a good way. I'm gonna grab one of these and see what happens. Oops. Probably got some on camera.
Right, so here's the final piece, and this is how it looks. There's the handle on the other side. Pretty gnarly. And on sunlight it looks like this. The details disappear because it's too bright outside. But either way, here's our finished machete. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So yeah, that's about it for this video, I guess. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Comment me down below what should I do next in my next video. And share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.